In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Typeform in Pipedrive. To begin, make sure you are signed into your Pipedrive account with admin access. This is important because app installations and marketplace connections usually require administrator permissions. If you are using a standard user account, you may not see the options needed to complete the integration. Once you are inside Pipedrive, look to the left-hand sidebar menu. There you will find the marketplace icon, which looks like a shopping bag. Click on that icon to open the Pipedrive marketplace. This is where you can browse and install apps that connect with your Pipedrive workspace and expand its functionality. After the marketplace opens, use the search bar to look for Typeform. Typeform should appear in the search results. From there, click on the official Typeform app card. It is a good idea to make sure you are selecting the official app so you are connecting the correct integration inside your account. When the Typeform app page opens, click the Install Now button. This will begin the setup process and take you to the authorization stage. At this point, Pipedrive will need permission to connect with your Typeform account so the two platforms can work together properly. Next, a pop-up window will appear asking for access to your Typeform account. Sign in using your Typeform credentials. Make sure you are logging into the correct Typeform account, especially if you manage more than one workspace. After you log in, review the access request carefully so you understand what permissions are being granted. Once you are ready, click Accept to authorize the connection. This confirms the integration and allows Pipedrive and Typeform to link successfully. After authorization is complete, the app connection should be active within your Pipedrive account. If the pop-up does not appear right away, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups, since that can sometimes interrupt the installation flow. It is also helpful to complete this process in a stable browser session so the connection can finish without interruption. That covers everything you need to know.